round convention round. Of course, I'm saying let's talk about my biceps. So just put it in a close shot. My staff for the sound. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski Dad, time for the lightning round question. I'm going to start with Jim in Georgia. Jim.
Hello, Jim. I'm a club member, three-time caller, infantry veteran, which will become you'll understand why I mentioned that in a minute. I started buying defense stocks back in late 23 and did pretty well. Once President Trump was elected, though, there came to be this situation where you got Doge on the one hand looking for efficiency, and nobody's ever caused the military-industrial complex to be efficient. Nobody's ever called them that. And at the same time, it's a very dangerous world, and the defense needs to be caught up. So, and the only thing we've heard in specifics is the Iron Dome, which is, I think, a great idea.
And that's RTX.
Yes, and L3 Harris, Northrop Grumman, RTX, and then Lockheed Martin, which I'm asking you about specifically.
Okay, well, first, Jim, I want to thank you for your service, and I think your question, and being a member of the club, your question is an intriguing one. Lockheed Martin is a stock that, frankly, has come down so much that it's getting hard for me to dislike it with James Takelett at the top. However, I think the administration is far more focused on the idea of a Palantir-like solution to procurement, and that would be very bad for all the companies you just mentioned. So I do not want to get in the way of the Palantir buzzsaw because that's very close to Elon Musk, and that's where I am. Let's go to Dottie in Florida. Dottie.
Hi, Jim. How are you?
I am good, Dottie. How about you?
I'm great. First of all, I'd like to thank you for continually reminding us how to be good investors.
That's all I want. That's all I want.
I bought ADMA Biologics at about 14. It proceeded to go up to about 24 and then came down to 16. It beat its earnings last quarter. It guided up. It has strong buys and buys on it. Shall I buy more, sell, or hold?
Well, okay, so it does have earnings, which is terrific. It's not that much of a spec, and it does great blood plasma work. My problem is I don't have a catalyst. I think the stock at 40 times earnings is a little too rich. I would wait for it to come down before I would pull the trigger. Let's go to Tom in Ohio. Tom.
Booyah, Jim. Nice to talk to you again.
Yes, it is. It's great to have you on the show.
I was considering purchasing a stock called Novocure, and what I like about it is their pipeline of pancreatic cancer drugs. I know you're probably going to tell me to buy Eli Lilly, but I already own it, and I'm looking to diversify and get some other biotech stocks.
I'll tell you, I used to be a very big fan of this company, but you know what? I have watched them for years and years, and they're not making money. And I just think that they should be making money. They've got good revenues, but they're kind of flat. Let's see some money made by Novocure, and then we can get behind it. I need to go to Ben in Florida. Ben.
Mr. Cramer, did you have a good Sunday afternoon?
You bet I did. You bet I did. Thank you for referencing that.
I know if you're coming to New Orleans or not, but make sure that you get Nolan Smith and Jalen Carr on that plane. You're going to want.
I will be there. I will be there to thank the team and thank you. How can I help?
Listen, I've been sitting on Keys, K-E-Y-S, Keysight for about 2 years. Watched it go down, bought some more to even out my price. I'm now about dead even. Should I hold on? Or
we want this one. We want this one. This is a company that has solutions. First of all, it's not expensive at all. And second, anything that measures reminds me of like Agile. That's another one I like. They have a terrific business, niche business. I like it, and I think you should own it, and I think you should buy it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, as dry January comes to a close, is now the time to invest in the wine and spirit stocks? Cramer's giving you his take next. Tomorrow, kick off the trading day with Squawk on the Street. Live from Post 9 at the NYSE.
Somehow went from, I don't even know. From Corning to Glassworks to Cats and Dogs to Pennsylvania.
David, just Google the road maps and you'll see where I'm going. You're on Uber. Switch. He's going on Uber. Well,
we do need AI to say, what did Jim just say?
It all starts at 9 a.m. Eastern. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.